Okay, I've got me a pan with a little solvent in it and this plug, and if you can see that, see the goop in there? It looks like it's had a little bit of water down in the bottom. The other plug looked real good, it was real clean, so was the engine plug. But this one is full of, I don't know, dirt or metal shavings or what that stuff is, but feels like some sort of grease. I can feel metal particles in there. But anyway, we'll clean all that out of there, clean it up good in some solvent, and then I'll prepare it for installation.